Today's lesson, we are finding the volume of pyramids and cones. Our goal is that we can find the volume of pyramids and cones. So how do we find the volume of any prism? Hopefully we remember that the volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. Back down so you can see it. All right. So then, I want you to understand the volume of a prism is 3 times the volume of a pyramid with the same base and the same height. Okay, so 3 times the size. It would take 3 of those pyramids to fill the same space. Okay, so if we think about the volume of our pyramid then, the volume is going to be equal to 1/3 of the area of the base times the height. All right, so looking at this particular pyramid, we have a height of 12 and a base of 24 by 10, and we don't need to worry about the hypotenuse of that triangle. So, as we've been taught, we're going to copy our formula down again. Okay, so to find the area of the base, we're going to do 1/2 of 24 times 10 times the height of the pyramid, which is 12. 1/3 of 12 is 4. Half, well, 24 times 10 is 240, and half of that is 120. And we multiply 4 times 120, and we get 480, and it's centimeters cubed for volume. All right, on to the next one. Okay, so we have volume, again, 1/3 of the area of our base times our height. And here we have a base that is 8 squared, because it's a square, times 1/3 times a height of 9. So we get 1/3 of 9 is 3 times 64. And we get 192 inches cubed. Easy enough. Moving on. All right. Cones and cylinders have the same relationships as pyramids and prisms. The volume of a cylinder is 3 times the volume of a cone with the same base, area, and height. Therefore, the formula for the volume of a cone is, I need a longer line, 1/3 the base height, or 1/3 pi r squared h. All right, so find the volume of the following cones. Use 3 1400ths for pi. So since we're not given the area of the base, we'll go ahead with the 1/3. Volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared times h. So we've got 1/3 times 3 1400ths times 2 squared times 3. So now we multiply this out. And you get 1/3 of 3. The 3's are gone. Both of those are gone. 1/3 of 3 is 1. So you get 3 1400ths times 4, which is 12 56 millimeters cubed. And on to our next. Volume. Okay, so we got, oh, sorry. Okay, 1/3 pi r squared h. So then we fill in what we know. We got 1/3 3 14/100 times 7 squared times, we've got a height of 3 again. So again, our 1/3 and our 3 are going to cancel out. We're going to be left with 3 14/100 times 49, which is going to give us 153 86/100 feet cubed. Okay, that is it for today. If you have any questions, make sure you write them down and bring them to class. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.